Unong yalam ke UDP bat Menteri Barim Katanak Tourism ba polling do ulabu jingkeli ya kapor jang kajing persha ya ka Shalong Ropeway project da ka bakeli Balei ke jing persha kalami hadien Snem shiteng balas dang pentre ya ka project haba kershan ya ka project uba pol ulaong balas dang ya ka ni ka project da ka jing kerpat jang kinong shong shnong kibla yo ya ka jing kershan na unong mi khmat balajit hi de ki pat ba ka than Ulaong bakane ka project ka dayru ka jingtmu ba jingkerpa da ka jingkersha na ka rat laban pelun ka banget ba ka day jang paro ki do bar shnong jang ka than Ulaong ru ba ya ka ni ka project la kershan ru nong mi khmat balajit de ki pat ba jang ka than uba san por shulai bat hadien balas dang ya ka project bungut ki mystery bat ki nong shong shnong jang ka laus otun klai yo kam Hakaway pat kalyang unong yalam ke UDP bat nong aibut ka tana social welfare ba polling do hakas ni tho ding ulapen ksan ye ka jingpen kan ria ye ki nong de madan na khandai lat bat ong ba ka ne ka de ka nuksa jang ka jingpen raisor ka ba paka ka ba ai haki ya ki lat ki lenti ha ka jaka ba shukandang Ulaong ba udap da ka jingkemen namar balala lam khmat bha banele ha ka ban pen kulu ya ka than khandai lan kat kum ka jing ong uba lingdo ka jaka thamai ka ban shong de jing de ka de ka balabo ya ki babun ki jing dan kam habakran halor ka jing no halor ki jing long jing ban ka khandai lat uba lingdo ulakdo ba ki ladan la ki jang ki rukampens ngau jing ki pat ba ulaong ba haba ki nong de madan ki lami no na ka de ka jaka ki pat ba ki laong ba ka khandai lat kala stang kenja menta habalabo pat ki nong tam ba nong roi ki ong ba ka khandai lat kala long ka basawa bha kumta ki e ki ta ki lat ki ba baro ki kwa bu jingkeli uba polling do
First and foremost, I'm surprised by the timing of the opposition. I mean, the President of India had come to lay the foundation stone of the project 2 years ago in the month of January, meaning January 24. Now, even before the arrival of the first citizen of the country, let us not forget that this project was also a major initiative and a request made by, number one, the Raj Laban Lun, which we believe combines, is a conglomeration of all the Ratnams of that area, one. Two, the project was also proactively supported by the elected representative of that area, Sanbor Shulai. And three, once work started on the ground, a lot of local masons, residents of Laos, for instance, were engaged in labor. Now, for somebody to suddenly realize after 2.5 years that this is bad, I don't understand the logic of it all. I do not know what is the agenda behind the opposition, but please rest assured that this is a project that is going to benefit not just tourists, not only facilitate the speedy movement of tourists, but also those farmers who will be able to ferry the produce in a record time of 3 minutes from the base to the top of the Shalom Peak. It is going to be the first of its kind in the country, in a hill station, and the model adopted is also equivalent to what we have in the Alps in Switzerland. And if a project of that scale has had any negative effect on the Alps, you would have known by now. So you will always have critics, and the problem with a lot of people is that they first close their minds and after that they open their mouths. That is the
So, isn't it that is why this project is not good for nature itself? That is the main reason and how it's coming out right now.
You are talking of a number of how many people? Yesterday I watched the comments, and one local resident stated that I stay in this area and these monkeys have been pestering us for the past 15 years. So how do you put the blame on the Ropeway project today?
That's new because yesterday.
No, you have to look at the entire dossier of documents. Each document was then forwarded to the ministry, which is why it has finally received the stamp of approval of the Ministry of Forest and Environment. And it's not a matter of joke that a ministry of that caliber agreeing to the proposal and then inviting the first citizen of the country. Do you think the President of India would not have got everything cross-checked so that her name will not be dragged into a controversy? How would she benefit if this project besmirches her name and her stature as President of India? I was part of the team, I was instrumental in getting the entire Kandai stretch vacated, and this is only part of wholesome urban development where we do not throw people away, but we construct alternative spaces for them, and those spaces have all facilities, water, electricity, and they are washroom facilities, and their produce and the sellers are also protected from the elements because these are well constructed shelters.
So, looking at Kandai,
First moved, people said Kandailat has become too quiet. Now when musicians move in, you say Kandailat has become too noisy. So what option do we have now?
thank you so much.